What if I told you the 2025 Toyota Corolla isn't just another sedan? Imagine a car that perfectly blends cutting-edge technology, unparalleled reliability, and sleek design, all at a price that doesn't break the bank. The 2025 Corolla is more than a car, it's a revolution on wheels. And in the next few minutes, we'll explore why this car might just be the smartest purchase you'll make this year. Stick around, because what you're about to discover will redefine how you think about driving. Introduction. Why the Corolla matters. The Toyota Corolla is a name that resonates with car enthusiasts and practical buyers alike. For over 5 decades, it's been synonymous with reliability, affordability, and unmatched value. But the 2025 Toyota Corolla takes it to a whole new level. Toyota has managed to innovate while staying true to its core values, making this car not just a worthy successor but a game changer. Whether you're a fan of its iconic legacy or looking for your first car, the 2025 Corolla is about to blow your expectations out of the water. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Toyota Corolla has undergone a design transformation that's hard to ignore. It boasts a sharper, sportier profile with aggressive lines that scream sophistication and modernity. The revamped front grille gives it a bold, confident stance, while the LED headlights and taillights add a futuristic touch. And it's not just about aesthetics, this design is aerodynamically optimized for better performance and fuel efficiency. Toyota didn't just make the Corolla look good, they engineered it to enhance your driving experience in every way. Segment 2. Cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Toyota Corolla isn't just a car, it's a tech hub on wheels. Inside, you'll find a state-of-the-art infotainment system powered by a massive high-definition touchscreen. Whether you're navigating through city streets or streaming your favorite playlist, the Corolla keeps you connected with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And let's talk about the driver assistance features. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 is now smarter than ever. With adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even traffic sign recognition, the Corolla practically drives itself. It's like having a co-pilot who never gets tired or distracted. Plus, the heads-up display ensures you never have to take your eyes off the road, and the new digital gauge cluster offers customizable options to suit your preferences. In the 2025 Corolla, technology isn't just a feature, it's an experience. Segment 3. Power and performance. If you think the Corolla is just about practicality, think again. The 2025 model offers multiple powertrain options to suit every kind of driver. The base engine is a 2.0-liter inline-4 that delivers a smooth yet responsive ride. But for those who crave more, there's a hybrid option that combines performance with incredible fuel efficiency, giving you up to 50 miles per gallon. And let's not forget the Corolla GR, the sportier sibling for enthusiasts. With a turbocharged engine, dynamic suspension, and precise handling, it's built for those who love the thrill of the road. Whether you're commuting or carving through mountain roads, the 2025 Corolla delivers a ride that's as exhilarating as it is reliable. Segment 4. Comfort and interior. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Corolla, and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail. The interior is a masterclass in comfort and functionality. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and an intuitive layout create an environment where every journey feels like a first-class experience. The seats are not only supportive but also available with heating and ventilation options. And with more legroom and cargo space than ever before, the Corolla proves that compact doesn't have to mean cramped. Whether it's a daily commute or a weekend road trip, this car ensures you ride in style and comfort. Segment 5. Sustainability and efficiency. Toyota is leading the charge toward a greener future, and the 2025 Corolla is a testament to that commitment. The hybrid model isn't just fuel efficient, it's environmentally friendly, with reduced emissions that help you drive guilt-free. And if you're concerned about long-term value, the Corolla's legendary durability means you'll be driving this car for years to come. Pair that with Toyota's excellent warranty and resale value, and it's clear why the Corolla remains a top choice for eco-conscious drivers who want to save money in the long run. Segment 6. Affordability and value. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2025 Toyota Corolla is its price. Despite all the upgrades in design, technology, and performance, Toyota has managed to keep it incredibly affordable. It's proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to own a car that feels luxurious and high-tech. When you consider the low cost of ownership, thanks to its reliability, fuel efficiency, and minimal maintenance needs, the Corolla stands out as one of the best investments you can make. Segment 7. What the experts are saying. Don't just take my word for it, automotive experts and critics are raving about the 2025 Toyota Corolla. It's been praised for its exceptional build quality, advanced features, and unbeatable value. Some are even calling it the best Corolla ever made. From car magazines to online reviews, one thing is clear: the 2025 Corolla is making waves, and for all the right reasons. Conclusion: why the 2025 Corolla is a must-buy. So, why should the 2025 Toyota Corolla be your next car? Because it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's proof that you can have style, performance, technology, and reliability without compromising. It's a car designed for the modern driver, one who values innovation as much as tradition. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a loyal Toyota fan, or someone looking to upgrade, the 2025 Corolla offers everything you need and more. Don't just drive, experience what it means to own a car that truly delivers on every front. Now that you've seen what the 2025 Toyota Corolla has to offer, the question is, are you ready to elevate your driving experience? The Corolla isn't just waiting to be driven, it's waiting to redefine how you drive. Don't miss out on the car that's setting the standard for 2025 and beyond. Stay tuned for more updates and insider insights, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all things automotive. The road ahead just got a lot more exciting. Are you ready to take the wheel?